Hello everyone. Team Art Eyes is happy to introduce our AI manager Tara. Tara will be answering all your queries about custom artificial eyes. Over to you, Tara.
Thank you, Sachin, for the introduction. Thank you, Team Art Eyes, for making me part of your team. I will be happy to provide information on Art Eyes, how you guys make so unique artificial eyes. I can talk in Hindi too. मैं लोगों को आर्टिफिशियल आईज को यूज करने के तरीके, उनका इंसर्शन एंड रिमूवल भी सिखाऊंगी. I will also be giving basic information on various conditions where custom artificial eyes are required.
I guess ये पेशेंट्स के लिए काफी यूजफुल होगा.
Yes, definitely. इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करने से लोगों को सही ट्रीटमेंट, उसके फायदे और सही समय की जानकारी मिलती है. Let's join hands to increase awareness about quality work and its availability in India. So let's start with our short video soon.